Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's see. I want
We are ready.
at least boys must win in class 6 because in class 7 girls win the game. Here only 12 participants, not 13 participants, 13 students joined. So can I start my game
Yes, ma'am.
or shall we wait for other students to come?
Ma'am, start.
Okay, I will start.
Ma'am,
I will start, but I mute everyone first. Then I will give my instruction. You need to follow the instructions. Then we will play. Okay.
Reza, on the camera.
I mute all so that you people listen to me very carefully. Then here I am going to share a screen and I am going to conduct a test for you. Wait, my battery is very low. It seems. Let me charge. Here, wait for a while. Yes. Now, Muhammad Ali is still joining. So, let me join. Here I am going to share a screen. You are going to play a quiz and it's about 25 questions. So, boys need to attempt 12 questions and girls need to attempt 12 questions. Okay? Boys are going to attempt 12 questions and girls are also going to attempt 12 questions, or else let's see how many of you can play. Hussein Abbas, wait a minute, let me give you the instructions. So I unmute all the boys and whenever I heard first sound, then that will be your answer. Ma'am, I said the correct, he said wrong, I don't know anything. So make sure when you are answering, जो भी बोलोगे, जो भी सोच समझ के आंसर दें. All the boys, and the same thing applies to girls also. Don't tell me, ma'am, I know the correct answer, but one of the girl has told you wrong answer. We lose the game. Don't tell me like this. Think it off and answer it. Okay, it's based on all multiplication. Pura multiplication based. If you know the table, then you can answer it very well. Okay. Now, Hussein Abbas, I unmute you. You want to talk?
Ma'am, you told 12 question. One question is there, ma'am. Still left.
Okay, it's for me. It's for me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, chalo.
Okay.
Okay, I mute all first. I mute Fiza because I have to unmute all boys. Please unmute yourself, boys. Tayyab, Raza, Wekhar. Okay, these many are the boys. Girls, be ready. Watch them how they are playing. You need to play it smartly. Okay, everyone. So please don't talk in between. Wekhar and all. Don't talk in between. Okay, Hussein Abbas, I unmute you. Okay, and in between, don't tell the other thing. Khali answer ka. I want to hear only the numbers. I want only the answer, not the no, yes, it's wrong, it's correct. ये सब नहीं होंगे बीच में. Got it? Everybody, thumbs up so that I can start. Yes, ma'am, we have 12. We have to do 12 questions. Yes, Tayabi. Zainab Tayabi, aapko. Ma'am, I can't see the screen. So everybody can see the screen. Wait, I did not share. How can you see the screen, Fiza? I'm sharing now. Chalo, boys are unmute. So I will start now. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute, Abhi. Gone. Yes, I'm sharing now. Here are the questions. Choose an operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication. I am choosing multiplication to girls as well as to the boys. Okay? This is multiplication, and I am taking 25 questions over here. Chalo. Time starts now. Tell me.
Ma'am, 3 1 3. 3.
Okay.
3.
Next.
3.
Okay, next.
3. 8 7 56. 8 7 56.
Okay, next.
6 7 42.
Okay, everybody has to answer. Only Hussaina pass. Jaldi jaldi sab.
2 9 18. 6 7 2 9 18. 5 to the 10.
Good.
5 to the 10. 1 1 1. 1 1 1. 8 1 8. 8 1 8. 1 1 1.
Same question. Okay, 25 you play. Chalo.
7 3 is 21. 21. 7 3 is 21. 21. 8 9 72. 72.
Zulfihar and Amir.
8 7 9 7 63. 63. 9 7 63.
What happened to Behar?
63. 2 2 is 4. 1 9 9. 6 1 6. 6 9 54. 44.
Only 2 boys are answering me. The rest, wait, I mute.
63.
Who is doing scratch on my screen? I don't know. कौन है ये
Ma'am,
scratch करने वाला?
63.
Wait, beta, wait. Somebody is scratching.
Arre, ma'am, 63. Time is going.
Wait. I am not seeing the time, beta. Because one of the boys is doing. I want to see their name. Their disable annotation and.
Ma'am, 63.
Wait. I want to see the name. कौन है ये जो मेरे स्क्रीन को खराब कर रहा है? $63. Okay, जल्दी.
7 to the 14. 14. 9 to the 63. 63.
The rest are sleeping.
1 to the 14. 14. 8 to the 63. 62. 64. 64.
No, you said
64,
63.
ma'am.
No, you said 63 and again you said 62. Chalo, 9 4 जा.
36. 36. 819. 819. 6 9 54. 4 7 27. 28. 1 6 6.
Okay. Out of 24, you scored 20, 25 में से 24 you scored. 96%.
Yes.
Boys did well, but I unable to hear विहार voice. रजा की आवाज नहीं निकली, सिर्फ अमीर हसन और अब्बास हुसैन के अलावा. Nobody answered. So next time when I conduct a quiz, so I will allow one student to answer. Everybody get a chance. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, I will mute girls. I will
Yes.
sorry, I will unmute girls and I will mute boys.
High five.
High five for what? Sure. Good job. Boys did very well. I appreciate. I congrats Hussein Abbas and Amir and Zulfiqar, because only 2 students answered it. The rest are just seeing. I have a problem with Raza, Fikhar. Nobody is answering. Why? You have to take part. Otherwise, in Viva you will be getting 0. Remember this. If you want marks in the Viva, in the exam, in the FA test, we have formative assessment next month. So if you come, if you participate in the discussion, then only you will get a marks. Got it? Otherwise, you lose your marks. I unmute Faria, Fatima, Fiza. Next is Nida, Sobia, Sakina, Sayyida Sakina Fatima. Bas. Sayyida
Yes,
Sakina
ma'am.
Fatima, where are you?
Yes,
Sayyida
ma'am.
Sakina Fatima कहाँ हैं? जुल्फिकार अभी म्यूट नहीं हुए? How it possible?
अब girls का
Faria, Sakina, Fatima, Hussein Abbas. Everybody, girls are there, no? Fatima, Fiza, Nida, Sobia, Sakina. Okay. Amir Hassan is mute. All boys are muted now. Shall I start? Girls, I'm talking to you. If thumbs up, girls, thumbs up, please, so that I can start. Okay, Sakina, everybody is ready. So here, somebody is doing.
girls बोलना है खाली girls बोलना है.
Again, I'm choosing multiplication and 25 question for girls. Come on, girls.
8 3 are 24. 24.
Okay.
1 3 are 3. 1 3 are 3. 8 1 are 8. 8 8 are 64. 64. 64. 8 are 64. 8 3 are 24. 8 3 are 24. 3 8 are 24. 24. 3 8 are 24.
Good.
4 4s are 16. 16. 12. 16. 5 6 are 30. 30. 30. 1 1 are 1. 1 1 are 1. 1 1 are 1. 6 5 is 30.
30.
6 8 is 48.
48.
Good.
48.
Good job.
1 2 is 2.
Faria, unmute yourself. You
1
are
2 is 2.
1 2 is 2.
yes. Please answer it, Faria.
1 4 is 4.
1 4 is 4.
Yes. Shout like this.
6 6
6.
7 3 is 21.
3 is 21. 21.
21.
2 6 is
12.
2 6 is
12.
2 6 is 12. 6 9
Six.
8
54.
54. 54. 1 2 is 2.
2.
2.
9 3 is
27.
27.
Yes. Girls are all girls are responding, but in from boys' side, only 2 boys are doing.
10. 5 2 is 2. 5 2 is 10. 5 2 is 10.
7.
7. 28.
28.
2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6.
2 is 6.
2 3 is 6. 9
9 is 81.
81.
81.
3 1 is
3.
3.
Okay, you got all correct 100%, and you are able to finish the test on 3 minutes 3 seconds. Okay, well done, girls. But boys also did very well. I appreciate all boys also, because by mistake they did one wrong, so they got 24 out of 25. You people got 25 on 25. Very good. Well done, girls. Well done.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will give starts to both. This is for boys, and this is for girls.
Mama ji, ek ghalat answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I'll stop
Thank
sharing
you,
now.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, will you play separately with the addition? Subtraction?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will start with the girls, then I will go for boys. Ma'am, unmute me. Allah, Zainab. Sorry, Zainab. From that time you are telling. Sorry, Zainab. I have seen just now. Sorry, beta. Sorry.
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now, I am playing one more game, and I am going to ask. I am going to mute everyone, and I am going to ask all the girls first. So girls का percentage कितना है, boys का percentage कितना है, we will see on subtraction. ठीक है, I mute all of us. पहले पूरों को mute कर देंगे. Then I will start with the boys. Yes. I will start with the boys. Oh my. Here. I can see the list of boys. पहले कितने boys है देख लेंगे. सबका टर्न हो गया बाद देखेंगे कि boys का कितना हुआ स्कोर और girls का कितना हुआ. Everybody will get a chance. सैयदा सकीना फातिमा आप लोग भी आंसर करेंगे. ओके, आई विल कम टू यू वन आफ्टर द अदर. ठीक है, पहले बॉयज के पास जाएंगे. निदा, स्टार्ट योर कैमरा. नाउ द टेस्ट इज ऑन. प्लीज डोंट डू एनीथिंग. Now subtraction में I will select 25 questions and I will ask to the boys. First, Asad, unmute yourself and tell me this answer. 5
Ma'am.
तक आ जाना. 1 2 3 4 5. Asad don't know what is 7 minus 3, so I enter this only. Chalo. Asad ka chance gone. Now Hussein Abbas, it's your turn. What is the answer for this? Wait a minute. Hussein Abbas, where I unmute you. Okay, Hussein Abbas.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Answer is 9.
9.
Okay. So, okay, 1 mark for boys. Muhammad Raza, it's your turn. Muhammad Raza, what is the answer for this? Raza, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. 9 minus 3. 6, ma'am.
6. Raza ने आंसर
6.
ओके. रजा का टर्न हो गया. बेखार अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. 2 मिनट. रजा कहाँ पर? रजा प्लीज बी क्वाइट एंड म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Okay, ma'am.
बेखार, व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस? 5 गिने तक हो जाना, अदरवाइज आई विल डायरेक्टली इंटर. 1 2
9.
गुड. रजा का बेखार म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Yeah, I don't know. One of the boy or one of the girl come up with the boxes. I don't know the name. उनका नाम नहीं आ रहा. Please write down the name on the display. Nurullah, unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, what is the answer for this? You joined late to the class today also. Okay, what is the answer for this?
Ma'am, can I? 6, ma'am.
No. Only Nurullah.
Ma'am, 6 is the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
6 is the answer. Okay, Nurullah हो गए. और कौन है भाई boys में? Only 5 boys are there. Let me check. रजा हो गए, नूरुल्लाह हो गए. Wait. आप लोग को 2 क्वेश्चन है. एक अमीर के लिए है, एक जुल्फिकार के लिए है. ओके ओके, पहले अमीर बोलिए.
8.
हाँ,
Ma'am, 8.
8. ओके, जुल्फिकार, इट्स फॉर यू.
9. Ma'am, 9.
9. ओके. तैयब, जुल्फिकार एंड अमीर, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. तैयब, अनम्यूट. Tayyab, what is the answer for this? I'm giving you 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. No answer from Tayyab. So, gone. Tayyab, mute yourself. अब है कौन?
Ma'am.
Wait. Jaber na? Come on, Jaber. What is the answer for this?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Good job. Okay. अभी कितने हैं? Sakhi, unmute yourself. Sakhi joined just now. Sakhi, 10 boys are there. Sakhi is not responding. Hussein Abbas, please quiet.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sakhi, what is the answer for this?
Which one, ma'am?
I shared a screen. आपको स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रहा ना? उस पे आंसर क्या आएगा? I shared a screen ना? You are taking much time, Sakhi. आपको मैं म्यूट करना है.
Ma'am, can I?
No. I gave a chance to Asad. I gave a chance to Amir Hassan and Zulfiqar. हुसैन अब्बास को भी चांस मिल गया, तैयब को भी मिला, रजा को मिल गया, मोहम्मद अली को नहीं मिला. मोहम्मद अली, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Mohammad Ali is the last one. Mohammad Ali.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Fatima, what is the answer for this? 1, 2.
Ma'am, wait. I'm telling.
Yes, I am giving 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No answer.
9, ma'am.
But you are late. Yes. Out of 10 boys, 8 answer correct. 2 जने तैयब ने नहीं किया और एक one of the boy did not answer. Okay, 10 boys में. अब girls की बारी आई. ठीक है? I will close this. I will start new one for you.
3.
Girls का भी subtraction. Wait a minute, I mute everyone first. मैं तो boys आवाजें करते. Okay, I mute all. Okay. Now I mute all the girls. No, not all the girls. One after the other. First turn is Sayyida Sakina Fatima. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
What is the answer, Sakina?
4.
Good.
4.
Okay. One girl. Next turn is Fiza.
Two.
Good. But you take much time. Okay. Third turn, Sobia.
2.
Good. Fourth turn, Nida.
9.
9. Okay. Fifth turn किसका आने वाला है? फातिमा.
1.
Good. Fatima, unmute yourself, Fatima. Zainab Tayyibi, start your camera.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes, good job. Very alert. Okay. Only 6 girls are sitting over here. Faria, you got a chance. Sayyida Sakina, I am going to ask you 2 questions, not to the roll number 23. I am going to ask Batul and Sakina 2 questions because 2 students are sitting there. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for this?
5, ma'am.
Good job. Okay. और आपकी बहन को बोलो. Tell her to answer
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
What is the answer for this?
7. 7, ma'am.
Okay. 7. Okay. 8 girls हो गए. अभी कौन बाकी है भाई गर्ल्स में?
8, ma'am.
Who is this? कौन है आंसर करने वाले? Did I ask? I want to see कि अभी गर्ल्स कौन है. अभी गर्ल्स में सैयदा सकीना फातिमा के 2 बहनें हो गए, सब सोबिया हो गए, निदा finished, Zainab Tayyibi also finished. Everybody has finished. That means Fiza का भी हो चुका. Okay. Faria, just tell me you finished this. I asked you question. Okay. This is not for you. This is not for you because one of the boy answered this. So this is for you. What is the answer for this?
9.
9. Yes. Actually, there are 10 girls. One of the boy answered, so that's why I choose one more question. So out of 9, all girls answer me correctly, but 2 boys give me the incorrect answer. So I want all the boys to learn, to know how to subtract it, how to subtract a number, bigger number from the small. Okay, especially to the Tayyab. Tayyab, you are very late, so I want you to learn. You practice more problems. I am going to share this link whenever you feel leisure, whenever you are free. So please play this game. It will help you a lot. It will give you mental problems, mental strength, your oral will be improved. ठीक है? Everyone, if agree, then thumbs up. Yes, good. So I will stop sharing now, and I will mute everyone. Yes. Sakina, I want to tell you one thing. So listen to me carefully. Sakina, Fatima, जो बहनें हैं ना, उनके लिए है ये. Tell your madam in the chat that two of you are sitting together, so please put our attendance बोल के बोलो. Sakina, I told you many times, आपकी नाम के जगह पे आप slash डालकर just make a slash and write down your sister name also, so that it will be easy for the teachers to put your attendance. सकीना के बाजू जैसा कि अमीर हसन और जुल्फिकार का देखो आप कैसा है. अमीर हसन एक डैश डाल के फिर जुल्फिकार है. So in the same way you also do. सकीना फातिमा के साथ आप क्या करो, बतूल बोल के भी लिखो. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट क्लास में then teacher will take your attendance easily. समझ आ गया? Okay, fine बेटा. So next time onwards, come up with two names, Sakina / Batul. So it will be easy for the teachers. Okay, I'm going to reoccur the meeting. I'm going to recurring the meeting. So please join again. Please rejoin everyone.